Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So have you ever heard of LSSC, which is the lightning share scooter company, and wondered how people are actually making real money from it? So here is how it works, and I will show you how you can make money from this platform. So this is the website of LSSC, which is lightsha.com. So you can come on this page and you can take a look at further information about this platform. So LSSC basically lets you invest in the virtual scooters that are rented out through their application. You don't manage the physical scooters. Instead, you just clock in once a day and the application simulates the usage. So based on your investment level, you earn daily returns anywhere from $32 to $64 per day. So there are tires that are starting at $1,100, and as you move up, your earnings also increase. You can also get a referral bonus when other people join by using your code, and once you have a small team, everyone help each other grow, making it feel more like a networking based income system. To get paid, you simply need to withdraw your crypto wallet, usually once a week. In order to find that, simply tap on the My tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and tap on the withdrawal option. But the catch here is that you must clock in daily to stay active, or you miss out. So is it actually passive income? I would say kind of, but it still take consistency and some networking to really grow. So before starting or investing at this platform, make sure that you do your own research, because this video is not a promotional or any financial advice to anybody. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.